tầm đấy là không đang làm
Dạ. Nghe được tiếng này, nghe được tiếng.
được nó là máy có cái tiếng Anh em mình nghe rõ hơn nói dần là
No, don't need to, because this is, if it is at the smiling C connector, then you can connect this smiling C to the car, to the heavy duty vehicle, and then to connect it to the smiling key from the server, not from the internet, from the server. We will show you how to connect the one to the real. So you can see this super remote adapters is that right here.
Tức là cái thiết bị này nó chỉ kết hợp với lại cái Smart IC thật là cái người khách hàng từ cuối cùng thôi, và nó sẽ là nó chỉ hoạt động với cái
Remote adapters as we show.
thế còn cái vi kia thì nó hoạt động với bất kỳ cái thiết bị scan tool nào đấy là khác. Tức là khi mà nó chuyển dữ liệu về cái người kỹ thuật ở đầu, gọi là ở đầu sửa ấy, họ có thể dùng bất kỳ thiết bị nào để nhận cái dữ liệu.
And this is the service functions you feature support for the Pro 3 PhD.
Hoặc là anh đang nói ngược như đại loại là để trước lại, nhưng mà có lại là một cái thì phải chuyển dữ liệu vào dùng cho cả bên ba để xem là cái CHIΕU.
Any questions?
They just want to ask about
compared to Pro 3 PhD, that comparing to us.
He just want to like make the reference, like just want to check.
No, this is a THEO website, right?
Yes.
Why is launch scan tool in us?
Đấy mà anh như anh nói chị anh nhận
Sao? Trên mình có số gì?
sau này có cái này không có phải là những chính thống của nó
Tức là nó cũng rất tài khoản thông qua SO.
Không để mình làm sao thì mình khác.
Cái CHIЕU luôn.
Trong tất cả
Is this raw asphalt?
no. This website is I think but maybe I think that something relevant to ASCOM.
Yeah.
Because otherwise they will not allow to.
Is asphalt running this website?
I'm not sure, but I think it could be. I only know the official website of ASCOM. Not this one.
So they are making comparison between THEO and ROM. Yeah. They can compare this.
Yeah, please.
How not is going.
Trên asphalt là
He said that when you check on the ASCOM's website, the Pro 3 SD is not available. So he just want to know how much this is selling on the market. So they just search on the internet and show on this website.
this is not Pro 3 SE.
Yeah. Cái này là khác, cái này là Pro 3 SD, cái này là
con provide ETEK thì programming thì coding thì nào
whether this model ProTree SE is developed.
this is process.
The name is a little bit different.
Yeah, this is pro. OCP means online coding programming.
Yeah.
It's the
But
same.
why don't they use the ProTree SE as the original one?
Well, this is Pro Suite E plus the online programming function. Yes, online programming. Yes, it's the same product. Same product.
So sometimes it's
Chắc là phút rất cho mày chưa là gì.
what percentage is
Ngày xưa thì hồi của cái
sometimes each one is launch when it
quan trọng là không phải riêng hơn trình độ
allow you to
In short, maybe
Because when Vietnam tried to, they want to shut off the exhaust system. Yeah.
a little bit higher. Yeah.
sẵn tí nữa.
Yeah.
it's not good for environment, but they say
You just bought it.
they want it more powerful.
We are selling the launch product through this website.
They turn on. And
How about this? How about here? We can here using here. Yeah. Do you see any scan tools?
Sometimes you put it inside the normally the people doing repairing, they will not check inside the test.
Master.
Sometimes you see the function not there, but you see it must the test is there. Some of the
No price.
inside also will be in the test. Depend on the system, the track system.
they want cheap.
You want save your money.
Save money. Yeah. Save money, make money.
Save money, make problem.
We have
学习，对。他们有很多都是用的我们过去的词。
just a programming power. Việt Nam cũng làm được. Bây giờ ao sao?
CHIήλink HE special functions. You can click on the device to check out the service functions like the DPF regeneration and the parameter setting we just discussed, and the service recite injector coding, and some other functions. So about the ADAS calibration, also like the Pro CHIήλink and the Pro IC, you can purchase the ADAS mobile or ADAS Pro. This ADAS function, like the ADAS heavy duty calibration.
这个我们原针没有啊，我们是它这个是 ADAS HD， 我们原针现在还没卖。
哦，这样子。
我们原针只有乘用车的 ADAS， 没有商用车的 ADAS。
So next is about the vehicle models. You can see there is a vehicle coverage website. We can also from the website to check about the heavy duty vehicle coverage. We just select from the very beginning. You choose commercial vehicle. Then it will show you how to step by step choose the brand, the model, and to find the related function that you are in need. Information center is same as the Pro CHIήλink. Have 3 modules: the repair information, the general information, and the equip information. Listed all in the picture. The equip information including the product menu and the FAQ menu, and the general information including the training values, product catalog, and the lot specific, and just other some menus. And repair information including the operation tips, the DTC help, technology handbook, the X431 fix, as I just mentioned, which client need to purchase from your site or from the launch sales manager directly. Here is a detailed explanations about the X431 fix. So it is maintenance data can be purchased from the mall and the dealer or the sales manager directly. And from this launch X431 fix, customer can get detailed data for how to repair the car, how to erase the DTC from the document of videos step by step. And here is the price for customer to purchase from the mall. It is $1,000 US dollars. Also for the heavy duty vehicle, I think it's the same. And maybe you can check this week about the dealer price. And when customer paid from PayPal or from the mall to the dealer, and then we will give him a login username and password. Then he can click the X431 fix menu and then log in to get the data. It's updated. So it's also about the update center. We can just update the software and purchase the renewal from this menu. I already talked about it too much. And more function. This more function is a little bit different from the passenger cars, passenger vehicle, because you can directly purchase the service functions from this service upgrade menu. Also, you can purchase the passenger vehicle software from this passenger vehicle menu. See listed at Tesla or maybe other brand or just some passenger car service functions. Also, it has the commercial vehicle and the motorcycle and some other software package. So for the personal center, you can see from the device there is a personal center. which contains functions like my report, the my connector, diagnostic connector, connection management, which can allow customer to upload the related logs for the connector, and also the connector activation menu, the firmware repair menu, and personal information, including the related data as maybe your registered name and country, phone number, or the email box address. And in this menu, you can also make a change of the password. Here it shows you all the related interface. When you click the activate VCI, we enter the VCI activate interface. At the very beginning, when you got the device and you can look to activate the VCI. So also this has a new function of diagnostic software clear. And in this, under this menu, you can choose and select the software that you don't always need to hide it, so that it will not show. And also in this menu, you can also use it to unhide it when you want to use it. That will show in the software update center. Also in the diagnose interface. So about the settings, you can see there is registered information for this customer, shop name and address, the country, the region, the city, and maybe the code or phone number. All show information here in the shop information. And in the diagnostic history, you can check about all the cars that you diagnosed, and to generate a data stream report and maybe save on your local PC, laptop, computer. And this is the diagnostic feedback function. Very important for our engineers to help the end customer to fix the issue. So you can see that the feedbacks also you can click the card that you diagnose and make the feedback report. Like you just click in the picture shows the HE nature, and then you choose the feedback logs and just submit the feedback to the server that our engineers will be able to check and track the issue, then reply to you to help the customer to fix the issue. Here is about the product introduction and FAQs. So you can see that there is a product manual in this, under this menu. Also some FAQ shows here to help you to fix some issue that you already been met. Customer use the device. Next is about the toolbox. You can click on the device about the toolbox to see which add-on modules it support. Generally the same as CHI裕, the scope and sensor box, multimeter, battery tester, and video scope. Here is about the product package. It's a little bit more than the CHI裕and Pro SE. You can see it includes the tablet and also the super remote diagnosis, the VCI connector, and the cable HD15M to OBD216 male integrated tester cable, and the DB155 to HD15F testing cable. Also the USB A to USB B cable, to B cable, and is a Type A to Type C cable, many cables, the power adapter, and a British standard adapter, European standard adapter, and the quick start menu, as well as the password envelope. This is the package for the box A. As you can see, we have box B, which have many non-standard heavy-duty connectors. See, for example, the Cat 9 pin integrated diagnosis connector, and also the Volvo 8 pin for the Volvo connector. Listed here. Altogether, there are about 20 or more related heavy-duty connectors for different brand heavy-duty vehicles. See, some for Hyundai, and some for Renault, some for Mack, some for Benz, some for EV.
Đây là cái liên hệ đấy đúng không?
We need to use this non-standard heavy-duty connector to diagnose the related brand car, brand heavy-duty vehicle.
Cái đúng đấy, mình có một cái các bên một cái gì.
And this is the software list, very detailed for all the Pro 3 linkage HE supported commercial vehicle software list. These are the brand, but you can check about the details in the vehicle coverage map for detailed functions for each car or for each vehicle. So that's all for the Pro 3 Link HE introduction. Thank you.
Chưa bắt được bên mẹ không đâu đi đâu.
How about we have a rest and then we continue about the TPMS product, okay?
Okay.
Introduction. About 2 minutes. Let's get back at the 3:30.
Do you need some water?
Yes, please.
Sorry about that. Good.
just want to ask, like, as I understand it, is the Astro is one fit. That is the kind of like a software can provide us some kind of like for fixing the car, or it can help to fixing the car directly. But I mean that it can fix directly, or just provide us some like a guidance, some instruction.
Just some instructions for guidance, just some documents or videos, and help you to step to do the repairing or step by step.
Like it kind is some kind of like the manual and the guidance, right?
Yeah, that is just the guidance. Yeah, not directly to connect to your tool to help you to fix the car. We just provide some documents and videos for you to check and follow.
But it is all in English, right?
Yes, all in English. Yes.
And also we have to purchase directly and separately from the one that available on the devices, right?
Normally there are two ways. Customer can same like to purchase the software update. He can purchase from more about this apps for CHIIU fix. Also, he can purchase from the dealer or from the sales manager. Yeah, whichever is convenient. But I think it would be better for them to suggest customer to purchase from them because they can request from for week's region, then we can give the discounts to him. They also can give discount like the software.
这个是啥意思？
是一毛派的。一个是 MCU one， 还有一个是 MCU two， 还有一个是他说的 THEO。应该是一毛派的。So for security reasons, the US government from taking the transport equipment we call enhancement coding accountability and documentation act, which is called the TRUYN. As part of the TRUYN Act, the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard requires that all cars, trucks, and buses with a broad suite of installed homes or manufacturers and is roughly equipped with TPMS since the 2008. That's why we need the TPMS product. So a tire with proper air pressure can reduce the tire burst, shorten the braking distance, reduce the skidding on wide roads, and improve the overall durability of the vehicle for TPMS. So the first task of testing is prevention of the tire burst. And the second we want to propose is the attention of all countries about the TPMS. So other parts of the world have also recognized the safety problem caused by the abnormal tire pressure. In France, is security repair listed in its of the traffic accidents are caused by the insufficient tire pressure. Germany, WHO estimated that tire-related problems accounted for about 41% of all traffic accidents, and point out that without the TPMS, 75% of the vehicle on the road have at least one tire with a deflection of 3 psi or more. So normal tire pressure is not only beneficial for safety, but also has economic considerations. European standards take into account the fuel economy provided by normal tire pressure. However, abnormal tire wear caused by increased tire wear and improper air pressure also increases the driver's ownership cost. So commercial freight industry relies on high fuel economy to reduce costs, which proves that normal tire pressure has seen. This is the legislation condition of the tire pressure sensor standards in various countries. So this our TPMS tools from launch. We have CRT 511, which you purchased from us, and also we have already have CRT 511 S 2.0. It's already on the market now, and we have iTPMS, which is the updated version, updated product from the PS4. Today we mainly focus on the CRT 511, which we purchased from us. So let's just get into the introduction for this CRT 511. So it's a tire pressure detection system activation diagnosis tool, which is a professional tire pressure diagnosis tool, and integrates the TPMS sensor activation, programming, and ECU diagnosis and learning. It can activate and reading the tire pressure information where low frequency sending or high frequency sending. And read and learn the tire pressure module by OBD interface. So it's very functional. So about the product features, first it can support the tire pressure problems more than 98% models in the market. Not all of them, but almost all of them. And the second, we can deal with all 315 or 433 amperes tire pressure sensor. They can be activated. And for this belongs to launch sensors, we can also not only activate it but also program it. And the tire data can be read, including the pressure and the tire temperature. Yes, temperature. And the tire pressure matching learning can be conducted through the OBD interface. From car's OBD, that would be easy. And tire pressure diagnosis can be carried out, including the reading fault codes and clearing the fault codes. Here. And also it supports the programming of the launch sensors. And it has a closed system which is stable and reliable. And this is about the screen. It's a 3.5 inch screen. And it also equipped with the humanized shortcut key, which effectively improves the efficiency. This is the product parameters listed in the right side. model, the voltage, the display screen, the working temperature, and something. And here is about the working interface. We will open the device. Yeah, when you open the device, you can see this is the interface on the device. It has several menus for you to select to check sensor, program sensor, and the release process procedure, and the relearn TPMS or VB2, and the OE sensor information. It's the menu. So the function introduction here, it shows that the first function is the sensor activation. So the main function is to judge the quality of the original vehicle sensor and read the sensor information. Do you have a sensor here?
Launch sensor maybe not.
Launch sensor can program, but the other sensor we can read the information.
Ở đây có cái cảm biến này.
If not, we can check about the PPT and learn about the functions. So about the sensor programming, the function is based to program the launch tire crash sensor. Please be note if it is not launch sensor, then we cannot program about it. And the launch tire crash sensor can be used normally only by the programming the required vehicle type software. The sensor programming includes 4 programming functions: the automatic creation, activation copy, OBD copy, and manual creation. So the automatic creation, this function requires OBD learning or self-learning after programming the sensor. So first you need to program the sensor, and then you proceed for the automatic creation function. When replacing the sensor, it is recommended that the customer use this function, because if the ID is copied, then the interface problem of the original vehicle sensor will occur. So we need to program the sensor first. And the second is to activation copy programming. So this function is executed when the original abnormal sensor can be activated. Also, we need to programming first. So after programming, the sensor can be installed and used directly. If the vehicle module can be automatically clear the ID, this method is not applicable. It is not acceptable. So at the same time, the method is can easily interfered by the abnormal sensor of the original vehicle. And the third one is the OBD copy programming. The function is to program the original vehicle ID, which can only be executed when the vehicle model supports the ID reading function. If the vehicle doesn't support the ID reading function, then this method is not working. So after the programming, the sensor can be installed and used directly. And the last one is about the manual creation programming. So this function is to program the sensor by manually inputting the sensor ID. Like the local diagnosis for the vehicle, you need to manually select the model step by step of the original vehicle. So it is necessary to make sure that the sensor screen of the original vehicle has the ID. So the pressure fault detection is also a very important function for the CRT 511. So it includes the function of reading the ECU ID, reading fault code and clearing the fault code, and some specific function of each function. So about reading the ECU ID, this function is to read the vehicle ID saved in vehicle's tire pressure module, and to just check if the activation ID is consistent with the ID in the module. And the reading fault code, this function is used to read the fault code of the pressure, the sensor pressure, and generated in the vehicle module to help you to know if there's any abnormality for the sensor, for the tire. And the last one is clearing the fault code. It's simple to understand function used to clear the fault code in the pressure module. And next function is about the tire pressure sensor learning. This function is used to learn the new sensor ID into the tire pressure, or correct the tire pressure sensor position. And the original sensor information. This is for the OE number of the original sensor, which is added to this function. After selecting the menu, the customer needs to check about the OE information of this sensor to ensure that the menu is selected correctly. If the menu is not matching the OE number of the original vehicle sensor, then it needs to be replaced until the OE number is satisfied by match. And the last, the sensor learning assistance, the function includes the tire pressure sensor learning process and method. So when the customer is using the equipment for the first time or not familiar with it, then he can check about this menu and to fix the issue according to the guidance here. This is about the 511X 2.0. I think we can first make some practical operations about the 5.1. Right? Yes. Yeah, but Wick said that this is the one you purchased from us.
Yes.
Yeah. I think they are the same. Yeah, maybe. But if you want to make sure, we can check on the MyCar system. Yeah. You can take a photo, and then we check about it in MyCar system to make sure, right?
然后你拍着我那个再出的。
Okay. Very simple. There's this. It's not the touch. It's for the sensor information. And I think we need a sensor to active in it. Maybe next tomorrow. Yes. You have already operated about it. Okay. And maybe tomorrow you can take us to the car, and with the sensor we can make some practice with your colleagues. You can show them. So we just briefly introduce about our latest version PMS CRT product 511S 2.0. So this product, you can see it has a big screen with 5 inches compared with the CRT 511 only 3.5 inch screen, and also the storage raised to 32 giga, and battery capacity is 6,000 mAh, and it can make upgrade for the software using the Wi-Fi connection. No need to connect to the flash card to proceed the upgrading like CRT 511. We need to connect to the Wi-Fi and proceed the software update. So also you can use the OE number query function for this 511S. It also including 12 special functions, not like 511. It doesn't have any service function. It have 12 common used service functions. And it supports the generation and the sharing of diagnosis reports. See, we can make diagnosis reports so that we can check about the historical diagnosis records. And it also supports the data feedback, which is conductive to the development of timely optimization and fixed point push version to help customers. So here is the parameters for this latest version. You can see 5 inches, 62 GB storage, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. The working temperature is from 0 to 50 centigrade. And the OBD2 interface voltage is from 9 to 18 voltage. Not suitable for the commercial vehicles. So this is also our TPMS product, the iTPMS. It is an upgraded version compared with the CHIA STO, which can activate reading air pressure information where low frequency sending or high frequency receiving signals. The iTPMS air pressure gun should complete with the comprehensive diagnosis equipment of launch to activate. So it couldn't be used separately. They need to be together with the scanners, the launch scanners, to work. Also, if you wish, you can download the iTPMS app on your mobile phone, and then you can work with that as well. So the function and the features is about the solution of pressure problems of more than 98%, the same as CRT 511. Also, all 315, 433 and plus tire pressure sensor can be activated, so the same. So the tire pressure data, including pressure and the tire temperature, also the same as CRT 511. And the tire pressure matching learning can be conducted through the OBD interface, just the same as the 511. Tire pressure diagnosis, including reading and clearing fault codes, the same as 511. Support infinite programming of launch sensors, which is suitable for different models, the same as 511. OBD detection, they are all the same. The parameter, you can see model and working current. The battery display screen is a little bit small, just a 1.77 inch. Working temperature. So you can see this real using screen mirror for the iTPMS. First, we can use the iTPMS to communicate with the tablet, the scanners, using the Bluetooth connection. And then the sensors can be put near to the car's tire, so that we can get signal from the sensor to the iTPMS, and then the iTPMS will transfer the data to the tablet, and we can show we can check on the scanner about all the information. It's a detection handed terminal used together with the launch scanner. Can perform sensor activation, programming, ECU adapters, learning and other operations, same as the CRT 511. So the other using screen is with the ITBMS app. As I just mentioned, you can install the app on your mobile phone and use the app to get data from the ITBMS with the Bluetooth connection way. Same, just the ITBMS app will be easier for the customer without a launch technique. This about the introduction about the launch sensors. We have now the LTR-03 and we also have the LTR-V version, different, but the function are mainly the same. Just a different color and just a different name. This is plastic and the other one is metal. So about the parameters of LTR-03, see the working frequency is 315 or 433 amperes, and the battery life is about 4 to 5 years, very long. 100,000 kilometers of the metal gauge. The pressure monitoring range from 0 to 800 kPa. Working temperature and pressure reading accuracy. See? Storage temperature and temperature reading accuracy. Some detailed parameters about this LTR-03 sensor. See, it's a dual frequency integration. Also, it's about the adjustment of the 30-degree installation angle. We can adjust it. Adjust the angle to make it suitable with the tire. This is the latest version, the LTR-V launch sensor. You see the working frequency and the battery life pressure monitor range are mainly the same as the LTR-03. Just it's smaller and lighter. And two versions. One is with plastic and the other is metal. See some functions and features in chat. Mainly the same as the LTR-03. And it's about 315 and 433. And the launch TBMS2 can program about it. So here it shows us why we just developed this LTR-V version TBMS sensor. There are 3 points. First, it optimized the internal structure of the sensor and the stronger signal. So you can see it has a stronger signal compared with LTR-03. And second, the volume is reduced by about 30%, which can effectively reduce the wear during the installation. Smaller and last, lightweight. It's lighter than the LTR-03. And these are about some sensors and TBMS product compared to work with the heavy-duty vehicles. So we can maybe discuss later when I have time. Okay. So vehicle have pressure. Maybe we can discuss about it later when we have time. And so I think that's all about the introduction about the launch PPM as a product about the passenger vehicles. Yeah. 好了，有了时间给那个王兄讲那个 A 大词。
4点钟，我们use this our time to show you how to use the expository and we still have 1 hour time, right?
Yes.
So we the ADAS and EV we put on tomorrow. So we will use this time to show.
Okay.
Okay. So in here you have 2 software to using this. Either one is for EmoPro. Where is the EmoPro? EmoPro inside the service function. Inside service function, EmoPro. Use the EmoPro software. That's okay. For the first time, we will update.
Yes.
Okay, he will update this unit. Okay, this one must wait. Don't do anything, don't unplug. It will damage this one. Okay, first time using, we must go inside EmoPro. Yes, so now it's working. Must have network, must have internet. And then here you can use EEPROM, you can use gearbox, you can use yes, microchip, program operation. Okay, program operation is this one. We want to just now, if in case just now the update failed, we want to update again. Use here from ETEK. Any problem with this one, try to fix this one from ETEK. Okay? So here is the engine. Now this one is the engine. Bosch. Okay, for here you don't have the motor ME 9.7. So you can search the Bosch number. You search Bosch number search. Okay, so this is the instruction. So if you cannot find the label, what is the model, use the Bosch number. Okay. Zero. This thing is 0. ME 9.7. Okay. So for the BMW or other any Bosch ECU, you cannot find a label. You don't know what is the pin chip using. Find with the Bosch number. Okay. So now you know it's the ME 9.7. Okay. So now you already know ME 9.7, but as your information, ME 9.7 need to emo off, you cannot clone. Okay, so where you need to do, this is the second one. The second one to use this, go to the software. European. No, Mercedes. Go to Mercedes. Can try? Okay. Okay, you see there is a entity function. Go to entity function. Okay, so this is a connection. Okay. So now this ECU need to write off. So that means ECU, this module is ECU. ECU not yet connection, but you need wiring diagram.
Wiring diagram.
Go to wiring diagram. Okay, this is ME 9.7.
Yeah.
Yes, go to ME 9.7. Now you have the diagram. Okay, but later on, you see there is two diagrams. One is here, one is here.
So
what's the difference? Difference is this one, MCU3. You don't have the MCU3 now. So that means you can use this diagram. Okay? Okay, so this diagram, using this diagram, connection to this ECU. First, you see here, come out 1 to 10, this cable. Okay, and the ECU using how many pins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which type of the pin you can use? Number 6, number 9, need to use a small one.
Yes.
Okay, this for using this tool.
This one for number 10.
Ten. Just pick for number 10. Okay.
Là số này.
Nó có số trong này ạ. Hoặc là mình để đúng cái thứ tự có số này. Để đúng cái thứ tự như này. Quý nhất mà. Trên đi này, thế giờ trên mình cốt một chút.
Đầu này đầu nhỏ này, chân đi nhỏ.
Ở đây nó có một cái chân to, một chân bé.
Okay, so now try to connection according this.
Không cần đúng không?
Try to connection.
Yes.
6. 6.
这是我们的样机，
我们的样机
坏了，
Số 6.
只是这两个坏了，
Số 6 là cái gì chứ không phải có thể sân 6 đâu.
可以让他们发新的。
然后有些
Số 5.
断了，
里面已经断了，但是这个外面还是连着的。
没有，这个直接是断了，没断是硬的。
Đây này, cái chân này họ bắn nhiều lắm. Tôi bắn
确实。
可以是断了。这个还好，还有点皱。
还有点凉rồi các bạn.
Sao nó không hợp? Ý là anh bảo là nó ký tự ở ngoài 6-9 người nên nó là gì ấy.
Tên thì chân này thôi.
Nghĩa là cái này nó sẽ có một tí nữa, em nghĩ là nó có cái detect, nghĩa là nó ký hiệu này, 6 là chân gì vậy chẳng hạn, kiểu vậy. Ký không nghĩ chân.
Đến.
Số 4, số 5.
Ủa, cái này xét nào đi.
Chắc là này khoa là một. Chắc là học được không?
就是没有cái răng to đâu.
Big one.
Big one.
No, the broken. So this one.
Okay, so now this number 6.
Đây này. À, ở đây là nó ký hiệu trong này.
Đây là 6 hay 9.
Có thể không? Đây là 6 hay 9. Chắc là 6 đấy. Có số 9 đấy không ạ? Xong rồi người nguồn này.
Kéo vào đây.
Okay, so this one. Okay, so this one. We want to together. Okay, together go to power 6 here. Okay, so this one. So how we can together? Right? Yes, good. And then this one, to here, just like this.
Yes.
Okay, go to.
Này có sợ rất chạm vào đây.
Okay, so this is short. This is 12. This pin.
Yes.
Okay, this also 12 for this pin. You can use either here or here.
Nó có ký hiệu gì không? Đây này, có 4 lít ký hiệu. 2 vuông, 5 vuông bên này.
Okay. So after
Có
connection,
chạm chiếc gì có nghĩa được gì không? It's dangerous. Here. Here.
Very low ampere. No problem.
Điện áp
If this one
rất nhỏ không sao cả.
500 watt or
Chạm mát chạm đấy.
only 3-4 watt.
Okay.
Okay. So after you put in the wiring diagram, read the module data.
Trong phần này nó ra là tìm cái gì đấy.
Nó đọc dữ liệu của con đèn này. Hộp đây trên xe thì đọc được qua OBD2 luôn rồi, không cần như này đúng không?
Okay. So now the ECU win number. Okay, so this is the ECU win number. This is the C number and the security already special function. Okay, this one already personalized. Activate no. Okay, so if normal use ECU, second hand ECU.
Second hand.
This must yes one.
I see.
Okay, now you want to, this one is the key immobilizer key number for this car. Key 1, key 2, key 3, so many key. Okay. And then you press OK. All the data you save into a file. Do you want to back up? Yes.
Yes.
I want to back up. What is the file name you want to put? Just a simple ME.
ME. Yes.
9 0.7. Okay, or you put the car plate number or the what as long as you remember. Okay, so this is the file location. File location inside this. Okay, so if you want to fast screenshot,
Take a screenshot.
okay, now you want to completely erase this module. Go erase. Okay,
Bây giờ xóa hoàn toàn dữ liệu luôn.
remove. Yes.
Xóa dữ liệu.
Xóa luôn.
How to verify?
If broken inside internal, you can fix because it's using this to program issue so long. Until overheat. Open the box. The port is broken.
Nghe không? Anh bây giờ nó dùng cái này camera anh làm zoom mang cốt lên thì nó sẽ hỏng luôn cái chip này. Cái bức này không này, cái này chỉ dùng cho cái SU rồi chứ không dùng cho cả hệ thống xe. Vừa mình dùng này.
Okay, so now programming for this ECU. Normally you will use automatic search to check all the fiber codes. Okay, but sometimes you just fixing the ECU. You don't know either is what you just want to purposely do programming. You can do
This one.
no control module program. Okay, control module programming, and then
Anh bảo là bây giờ mình chỉ làm định programming thì ấn luôn rồi đấy, không cần phải tìm xe nữa. Bây giờ thì đang đọc dữ liệu của xe. Vui lòng nữa.
okay, this is the first step. Input the VIN number. This time VIN number. Okay, for the real car, you just open the door, look at the VIN number.
Yes, I know.
Okay, key in the VIN number.
Yes.
So if you same VIN number, it's okay. You just confirm. Just key in the VIN number. No, you don't key in the VIN number. If wrong VIN number, there's wrong file already. Okay, so we do it manually. This will read the VIN number.
Ý là bình thường nếu mà trên xe là nhìn ở cái cửa xe là mình biết VIN. Bây giờ con này thì nó không có xe rồi thì mình
Okay, so in here, control unit, drive, and then EC. ECU no flag.
Bây giờ mình sẽ lắp con này đi xe mới thì mình còn con này thì
Đúng rồi, nhưng mà chắc ở đây chắc các bạn demo thôi thì đại lại là coi như con này đã lắp vào đây rồi. Kiểu thế.
để con này nó phải chống lại.
Chắc con này cũng chống thôi.
Hoặc là sẽ đọc trước xong sau đó thì
now you do. We have the chassis number. Okay, you already done the chassis number. Go to control unit programming. Just take a picture first. Chassis number. So after this one, control unit programming automatic backup. Okay, so if you already know this one is a second-hand part and you don't know about the information inside, just choose the automatic.
Yes.
Okay. For any your customer beginner also, you tell them to choose automatic. They will find out inside our
Nếu
software.
không tin vào khách hàng mới thì chọn theo.
Okay. So programming upgrade existing ECU. Okay. So that means the ECU if no change, you press yes. If you change another ECU, then you need to press no. So many customers, they see this one, you must choose the yes one. Then it depends on the situation, what kind of the ECU. We try yes. Okay. So the file name must be, so this one will become backup the ECU. We'll back up the ECU first. Okay. So we put backup. So this one, they have what they blah blah blah, but more important is voltage must be higher than 13. Okay. Mercedes, no problem. BMW, damage. You damage the ECU.
Mà thì không sao.
So now this is the way he download the software first from the server. Okay, so you already have the version available for the foreign control unit. Okay, so this is the software number. Okay, so this perform. Okay, perform any. Yes, continue. Okay, it tell you there's a risk. Okay, yes. Switch on.
Em đến bọn anh cái bọ gọi nhiều dùng mới ép đấy, thì không phải có mình đâu. Đi được với người của anh, tại sao mà anh dùng hết dưới mất mà anh để bọ được anh dùng bằng người ép.
Okay, so now it's already programming. Sometimes if you sit on the inside the car, it will become crazy. The car, this blink, this blink, this blink, light on, fan on, full fan, no problem. Don't do anything. Don't on aircon. Don't turn off anything. Don't do anything. Okay. Some people. Open door is okay. Yeah. Normally you will open door because you are hot. Sometimes you sit inside the car, but you listen this, you see the light on, you panic, you pull out this, the car will get damage.
Đợt này thì mình không sử dụng vì làm bất kỳ gì hết liên quan đến nhưng mà mở thời gian thì chắc được.
Là năm này xe có thể bật đèn lên nó nghĩ cho anh như thế tự động hoạt động
Không làm gì hết.
không phải làm gì hết.
In case you mistake the ECU, you changing the ECU, then you touching you program a gearbox. Okay, if you mistake in here, also you don't do anything. Okay, if after you programming finish, you reprogram the file number again. You find back the software number. You program again the previous software number. That time you need to use manual. Manual, they will let you to key in the software number.
Chọn cái menu của nhập vào software number để làm lại. Okay. Software number. Anh bảo nếu mà mình làm trong quá trình gỗ gì thì đợi kết thúc này xong mình chọn công để làm cái số phần mềm đó software làm lại thì anh bảo thế đúng không?
So you understand now. So just now you're programming, you have yes and no, right? Okay, now we're choosing yes because the same is you. Okay, if you already changed the second hand is you, then you need to use no.
Yes. No.
If you press, you change the second hand ECU, but you press yes, you same problem because you're using this ECU backup and program again. Press.
Vậy cưới vợ mới đã cưới, chưa cưới gì không just no, just no. Just no.
So any problem, remember take picture of the software number. In case your problem after programming problem, you send the feedback and the software number is still here. You can manually key in this software number. Okay. So if you need any problem, so just record the software number. Programming, take a picture. In case have problem after you programming, have problem, you send the feedback log file. Okay, send to engineer, and then our engineer check, and then maybe he give you a new software number. Then you programming using the program number inside the manual. Automatic to the manual.
Nhưng mà với hãng cấp cho mình một cái số mới, xong sau đó mình chọn công và nhập lại.
So this process ECU, same process ECU, gearbox and other same module, any module, all Mercedes with same job.
Không chào với lại trước anh Tuấn Anh có thu có phát backup anh bảo
for the real car, if you see this one drop, keep on drop 12, 11, 10, don't wait until 10. You see he drop very fast until 11, you go find power supply. Okay? And doing go find power supply. If you cannot find power supply, just pray.
Công nguyện đâu.
Thấy luôn.
Nhưng mà lúc đấy làm gì được nổ máy chỉ còn thiếu đâu mà
Vì thế là cuối cùng máy có độ sao được không nghĩ là bình thường làm cực của máy đúng không? Nhưng mà chỗ bạn sẽ máy nó gì được độ nghĩa là an toàn tốt nhất là cấp nguồn nào đó phải cấp nguồn trường hợp mình làm đâu tất nhiên là nó sẽ sụt có bạn phải cấp nguồn mới làm nhưng mà để an toàn thì vẫn nên cấp nghĩa là nó không yêu cầu nghĩa là yêu cầu xin được special version cái này thì chúng ta
sometimes the mechanic do job very fast. Okay, you see 100. Then you need to wait. You see 100. Don't do anything until he pop up successful. Please wait. Until you wait until here, then you can turn on, turn off. Okay, control module programming was complete, successful. That's okay. So this automatic go to SCN coding. SCN is a serial standard coding number. Tell you to switch on, you need to switch off. Don't do this because this one is off. And the car, okay, you can off, you can touch the stop button. Turn on.
Are you sure to clear from?
Yes, you want to clear from memory. No memory, clear complete. You will read again the trouble code. Okay, so if you know trouble code, okay. This one no sensor will come out. Okay, so this is if after you do this, still have one step to do. The car still cannot start. You need to do what? You need to go to the special function. And do the teach-in drive authorization. You need to do this step. Here cannot because no VCM, no other module, no key, no. So if you have this one, then you just press yes, and call you to start engine. Yes. After finish, just go out, check trouble code, done, and then okay.
Không biết tỷ lệ cứu chữa thành công nào. Chương trình
như này thì còn cái đèn có việc này thay ECU đúng không? ECU là xóa trắng con ECU kia không thay được xe. Ở đây họ không thay mà họ làm programming luôn cho con ECU này cho mình xem. Cái bước 1 khi mà programming nhận như nào, programming xong ấy thì là bước cuối cùng là để cho nó nhận liên quan vào bước cuối cùng mình nhận được ECU nhận được cả các thiết bị
ECU khác
trên xe. Xong một cái thôi là tự động xe mình được.
Okay. One question. ECU can clone, right? not this other ECU. Okay, clone.
Yeah.
If the clone ECU plug in into the car, you need to do a programming.
Programming.
You need to do programming.
Đây là bộ chức năng này.
I don't understand the question.
Okay, so this is the ECU. Sometimes the ECU you're using this to clone. Okay, clone to another ECU. Okay, after you clone the ECU, then the ECU you plug in into the car.
The old one. The old one.
The old second-hand one. The old one is damaged. You already throw. Okay, you already clone into this second-hand ECU. Second-hand ECU, then you plug to the car. Do you want to do the programming job?
I think yeah.
Yes. What your answer?
Con này chắc không có gì, không phải bảo programming khi mà chưa có gì đúng không? Coding là khi yes.
Yes. No, is wrong. What? Okay. If you clone the ECU, same data from the ECU clone into here. Okay. Then you plug into the ECU, you directly can start.
Just because it's not erase the memory, right?
He not erase. He's to move the data to the ECU to ECU. Okay. So after you move it, same data on there. After you plug it here,
Still active.
yeah. If you plug it here, you can directly start the car. But if you can start, but warning light come out, it say version not compatible. You need to do programming. If you plug in no trouble code, okay, you don't need to do.
Anh nghĩ là vào nó mình nhớ.
Nhớ hôm qua họ bảo là có một cái trước khi
Đầu tiên là dùng số function, nó sẽ có một số cái ETC. Nhưng mà ok, một số cái mà đặc biệt load communicate tức là gì đấy.
If no trouble code, okay. If have trouble code, see what is the trouble code.
Nếu mà có trouble code load tín hiệu hay mất tín hiệu gì đấy thì bắt đầu programming coding. Đấy.
看谢王是精彩，
所以是厉害，还有实操经验。
是的，
最大的优势。所以还是他来肯定效果好很多。
好太多了。
Okay, so if your customer see he use very long this unit,
Fan
if he find your customer use until like